Everyone, this is Rocket Trades. I provide breakout ideas for busy people who work full time. So the ticker today is AMZN, Amazon, and the current price is 3,008. I'm looking at this ticker today as a possible inexpensive short idea for a 3 times return. So here are my 5 reasons I think Amazon will sink below 3,008 into October and make a good trade idea to the short side. So I'm looking at market sentiment, I'm looking at price action, technical indicators, and fundamentals. So all of them are pointing down to, say, 2,900 and maybe lower. These are the 5 reasons. Tech shares are correcting. I'm seeing a broken moving average trend line. My Williams momentum indicator is indicating a stay short signal. Let me see here. Volume is very loudly indicating we will continue down. And the 5th reason, I'm seeing a PE of around 120, which is just crazy, but we'll go into that more. So if you're clicking out, those are my 5 reasons. I'm just going to go into a bit of explanation here. So starting with tech shares correcting, institutional and retail seem to be unloading shares and taking profits. If we're looking at this chart and so this is a daily chart, and I'm seeing March coronavirus pandemic times here, and this whole recovery, liquidity driven, lots of new money and new traders in the market with the bailout funds coming from the US, and generally people buying tech shares on discount and riding them all the way up here. So this blue line is the EMA, the exponential moving average at 50 periods. And today was the first day we broke hard under it. So it doesn't necessarily mean we are definitely 100% going down this way. But generally speaking, when you break this hard and you gap under, the market sometimes tries to make an effort to come up, but it's just too heavy. And I think we're looking down here closer to this support level of 2,900. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see, 3rd reason I have here. So the Williams momentum indicator broke, and it broke the mid-level trigger point at 50 and is now at 59. So negative 59. So down here, so this is, the overbought section, really hot, trading well, trending well. And then Williams indicator. So this 50 mark I look at for turning points. So as it works its way through the first half, like the upper half of this section, it's all has the possibility of staying on the upside as a momentum indicator at 57 periods. So typically it's at 14. I made it really dull and insensitive at 57. So I'm looking here now at 59 and probably coming down lower. So that's for the Williams. And then the volume here, it's hard to see, but generally speaking, it's around 23% higher than usual. And price action is all moving down here. Red, 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 red. So we've already broke the moving average. I think we're continuing, especially when volume is also confirmed here on the force index, and an increase of 23% on daily levels. Lastly, the PE at 120. Well, we all know PE is kind of useless when you're looking at shares like Amazon and Tesla. You're basically looking at forward future earnings. But I think 120 is needs a break. Like 120 is pretty lofty. So what I did is to take action on this idea, I went ahead, purchased a few puts at the 2050 level. Ha ha ha. That's seriously out of the money. I don't think it's going to go there, but they're priced at 1.3, around that level. And so if my guess turns out correct and the price continues to sink further, closer to the 2,900 mark, the puts could be priced at the $2 to $4 range, and that would fulfill my risk reward ratio of a 3-time gain. So options are difficult investments because of the time decay. But if you're subscribed and you're just looking for some interesting ideas, maybe a couple $1,000 on the put side, for a possible further sinking of price of Amazon shares in the October period, the October month, that could yield you some interesting profits. So again, safe trading requires good risk management. This is not a solicitation to buy or sell securities. I sometimes buy and sell the discussed securities here on my account, and good luck trading. Bye for now.